Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? I hope you are enjoying your life. In today's video, we will talk about the customization of the start menu. Many people may not know, or perhaps they dislike the tablet mode, but I think this guide is far better than tablet mode. Well, I have been using Windows 10 for the last 4 years, and I have just realized that we can transform the look of the start menu to resemble tablet mode without much effort. Now, to do this, you need to search in the start menu. Just click on the start menu and search here for again start menu. Right now you can see here, just click on this. Once you are here, you will see here the start and few options. Now in my case, you can see this look is like so good, and each and everything you can see here in the all applications tab, then pinned and start, and all the other settings are here. Once you open something, like when you click on something, it will pop up just like this. It's not a tablet mode, but it's like tablet mode. So simply you need to do this in a few steps. Click here, start menu, and open this. Now this is the option, use start full screen. If you turn this off, it will be like this, you can see, but if you turn it on, it will be like this. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.